guys, welcome to my channel, a place where discussion follows the thread of technology, business, and science in a clear and objective way. My name is Lorindo Benjamin. I'm a data engineer and software developer. Well, guys, this wasn't supposed to be my first video because we are going to talk about a topic that fits very well or fits right in the middle of a topic that started a month ago. But it's never too late, never mind. As the old saying goes, it's never too late to start unless you can prove otherwise. So guys, let's go start our lesson, but don't forget to subscribe our channel, turn on notifications, and leave comment if you would like. When I'm creating an application, don't matter the size of the project, I usually implement in parallel the test-driven development approach, better known as TDD or RED as well. The test-driven development is a progressive approach to software development. It is often preferred, especially for large projects, rather than the traditional one, which is still the process, due to very efficient benefits that it can provide. So as you can see here in into this diagram, you can see that in test-driven development, we start by writing the test, then we check the test, and we go for writing a production code, then run all the tests, and lastly, we clean up the code. This is a cycle process, okay? This process can be work as a cycle because you can repeat it in many situations. You can repeat it many times. So maybe for troubleshooting, for to solving some specific errors. So it is not a static process, okay? You can repeat it many different times. The test-driven development, here we can mention some very important advantages here. Consists on reduces dependency and debugging, save costs and time, improves code quality, and finally it can give you a test-driven development cycle. And for our project, we are going to work on product price module. We're going to create a product price module. Basically, this project is a big project, okay? Inside of we have different layers, and here we are going to talk about the product price package, where we are first of all we are going to create the product price model, and then product price post-put view. We are going to create the blueprint stock to create our roads and connect it to the Flask. And lastly, we are going to create the test product price post-put the test module. Okay, within of we are going to make a request to our product price post view. I would like to show this diagram as well. Is flow process where you can understand how this application goes to work. Okay, we start here. As you can see, this is the first module. We are going to make the request from here, from test price post. We are going to make a user. Okay, we are going to post some informations forms from these test. We are going to make this request to blueprint. From blueprint, this information is going to send to product price put view, where we are going to define it just two methods, which is post and put. And then this form is being received here. It's going to be validated. We're going to verify if the form is valid. So we go next to the next step. If not, we return some error to the test price post. Okay, we're returning an error. So suppose that it's okay, so we go next to the next part, the next step, and we make this. We submit this form information to the product price model. where we have the create method, the create functions to save the information to our database created with SQL Alchemy. We are going to use SQL Alchemy in our project, okay? And there is something else that I would like to explain you is that within this method there is business rule which consists on capture all the errors, all the issues that occur inside of this method, and we save these informations to our log files. I already created these log files. Okay, we are going to save these informations and gonna help you. And these files are going to help us to audit our project, and it's gonna be more easy to us to find where exactly the errors and what type of errors. Yeah, basically it's very important to troubleshooting the project, okay, and verify what kind of errors, and then we make decisions about this kind of issue or this kind of errors, okay. So, and then after saving the information to our database, so the process finished and return the success information to the test price with status code 200, okay. And next, I'm gonna show you here our project. As you can see here is a big project. I already started a month ago, and I already created here the module to our price product. I already created here the module for our database, which is the product is price model. Yeah, I agree with this name. I think it's more clear to if I put this name, okay, if I put like this, and the name in the database is product is price as well, and the name of the class is product is price, and there as a rows we have price ID, product barcode, unitary price. We have sale price 1, sale price 2, sale price with fever, sale price or sale post POS price they handed, and so on, okay, with the required type of data types. As you can see here, for all the prices we implemented double. We double is a data type, okay, and we have the create method here with where we receive a dictionary of product with this object is compound with these kind of columns here, and then because we are using the SQL Alchemy, we call database, then station, and add an object, okay, and then we commit these informations to be saved to our database. As I told you, we are using the log file, okay. We're using the log file. If something wrong happened here in this method, we capture this exception. And we store these information to our log file. Okay, and then we return false and return the message because the message is price already exists. Okay, and that's it. Let's see in the next video. Okay guys, so see you, cheers. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we'll see you next video. Bye.